Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Spiderman Godzilla Surprise Fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Spiderman Godzilla Surprise Fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to take my paper, I'm going to line up the corners and give it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time, give it another fold so it looks like a bookmark. Now when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And I can turn my paper like this and then open it so it's like a surprise. Now to start off with our Spiderman Godzilla, let's begin by drawing the eye. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to come up like this. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and then up to here and we'll connect it. Next, we'll draw a line that comes up, and another line's going to go down and then up here. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up, and we're going to come up here at an angle and then down just a little bit. We're going to come up and down again. We're going to go over and down, and then over to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out and then down. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. We're going to go over and then up. I'll make another little line here, and then a line that's going to come down. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go over, that's going to come up and then down for like the head of the spider. Then I'm going to draw a little line down here. Next, I'll make a line that's going to come up and then straight up like this. Go down, come down, and then connect. We'll do the same thing, go out at an angle and then up. Down at an angle, we'll go down and then bring it into here. Then we'll make a line that's going to go out and down, and same thing, out and then down. Then I'm going to make a little line that's going to come over, we're going to go down and then curve it back. Now, for one of his spikes, we'll bring a line that's going to come up and down and then straight up like this. And then next, we want to add some of the little details onto the face. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a line that's going to curve, and it's going to come down here. And then I'm going to draw some lines. So I'm going to draw one right up to the eye. I'm going to jump over and kind of curve down. Make another one here. We're just going to curve around. We'll make one here that's just going to go right through here. And it's okay that I drew through these legs because these are going to get covered up. Next, let's make some curves. So I'm going to draw some curved lines right across here. And we're just going to make some of these curved lines just so it looks like the webbing for our Spiderman Godzilla. So we're going to bring these all around here. And we'll bring some right in here too. So do another one here. Just some nice curves. We'll bring these down, and that'll be good for that part. And then I'm going to bring some of these lines all the way to here too. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now once we open this up, we have two halves of our Godzilla. So the first thing we want to do is we want to draw this line down, and I'm going to draw this line up. Then I'm going to bring this line over to here. I'm going to bring it down and then right to here. I'm going to bring this line down. And I'm going to bring this line down, curve this down, and we just want to kind of connect all these lines down. And then we'll bring these lines up here with a curve. I'm going to continue this line down. And then I'm going to continue this line up and bring it over. And I'll bring a few lines here. Bring this up to here. Bring this up, and then just kind of curve this right to here. Next, I want to put some teeth in here. So I'm just going to make some kind of curved, pointed little V-shapes all the way across. And then we'll do the same thing here. We'll make these little kind of curved, pointed triangles. Now we want to make the webbing. So I'm going to make some kind of like wiggly lines like this that come out. And some more wiggly ones over here. Then I'm going to make a little line that curves out. Make it come down and put some more curves. And a couple more here. We'll make a few little lines in here with some curves. And kind of the same thing here. A few little lines with some curves. A few more, and then I'll add some little lines across here. We'll make some curved lines across. And some over here too. And we'll do the same thing here. And I'll add some little lines right inside of here. And then starting here, I'm going to make a line that comes down. We're going to jump over to here. And I'll make another line down just so we can kind of see the other side of the mouth. And I'll add a couple little lines here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Spider-Man Godzilla. When we have it all closed up, we have him looking right over into some direction. And then when he opens it up, he's got his mouth and he's shooting out his Godzilla spider web. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.